there, side hustlers! If you're looking for a super simple way to make extra cash from home, no experience needed, then you're in the right place. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video on how to boost your income online. And hey, drop a comment below letting me know which country you're watching from. I want to create videos that best fit your region. All right, let's get into it. Today, I'm revealing a legit survey site called DRT SolutionZ, a seriously easy way to earn money by just sharing your opinions. Yes, it's real, and yes, it actually pays. So, what is DRT SolutionZ? It's a global survey platform that pays you for answering questions about products, services, and trends. All you need is an internet connection and a few spare minutes. Getting started is easy. Go to their website and fill out the quick registration form. Once you do that, check your email. They'll send a confirmation link. Just click it and you're officially in. No complicated paperwork, no endless waiting. Now here's how it works. After you sign up, you'll get survey invitations straight to your inbox. Each survey usually takes about 3 to 10 minutes, so they're perfect for fitting into your coffee break, commute, or whenever you have a little downtime. The amount you earn depends on how long the survey is. Short ones pay a bit, longer ones pay more. But the best part, these payouts really add up over time, especially if you stay active. And when it comes to getting paid, you've got options. Depending on your country, you can cash out via PayPal, grab Amazon gift cards, get mobile credit, or choose other rewards. So whether you want extra spending money or to treat yourself, it's all possible just by sharing your honest opinions. DRT SolutionZ is available pretty much worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you live. Just sign up, confirm your email, and start earning. So what do you think? Have you tried online surveys before, or is this your first time? I'd love to hear your thoughts, tips, or questions in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you never miss out on the latest ways to make money online. I'll see you in the next one.